Welcome. I'm Scott. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and this is my YouTube channel, Stamping Scott, where you will find stamping techniques, craft and sewing hacks, unboxing of lifestyle products, and so much more. I hope you will join me. I'm so glad you decided to come back and join me. This is my very first YouTube video that I'm sharing with you. This particular tutorial is based on a team challenge that I'm a part of, and it is called a sketch challenge. A sketch is a template design, I'll show a picture of one over here, of what a card could look like. And then you just choose the colors, the embellishments, the stamp sets, and coordinates to create a designed card. And this is what the card came out to look like. The video will be sped up with some sound to entertain you, and you will see me putting this together with different steps. I'm featuring today Petal palette, which is a retiring Stampin' Up! Set, which I'm really sad about, but there are always new sets coming, which I'm really excited as well. The Petal palette, this is basically a double stamp set that I put into one box, so you can see that I have the images on one side and the sentiments on the other. I also put my framelits in there. The framelit that we're using today is this really cool leaf framelit that we're putting on with some copper foil, which you can kind of see here that I have kind of glued on the background. Another framelit I'm featuring in today's video is a stitched framelit. These come in 3 different shapes, squares, ovals, and circles, and I use the Night of Navy cardstock to create the circle that's on the background part of the medallion. And you can sort of see the little stitching on here, hopefully. And we use the Stampin' Blends markers. This is Daffodil Delight. Stamping blends are alcohol-based markers. They blend really well. The color just flows through them. The only secret you need to know is that when you use Stampin' Blend markers, you need to use a Memento archival ink pad. We're also featuring this wonderful set of paper. This is called Designer Series paper, and the name is called Garden Impressions. It is just Garden Impressions. I think that's what it is. The name will be on the site. This is what I'm using for paper. You will notice at the bottom of the screen a little area that says what product is being used that you will be able to find on my website. My website, of course, is stampingscott.stampinup.net. And if you ever forget, it's just stampingscott.com. It takes you to the same page. Well, I really hope you enjoy my video today. Please give me some feedback in the comments below. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to keep up to date. Like I said in my intro, I'll be featuring lifestyle product unboxings as well, other stamping hacks that I do in my craft room, and I would love to have you join me. Okay, I hope you enjoy this feature. Thank you, and we'll see you on the other side. welcome back. I certainly hope you enjoyed what I had to share with you today. Once again, if there's any products that you're interested in, please visit my website at stampingscott.stampinup.net. And if you place a $50 order or more, I will send you the brand new catalog. This catalog starts on June 4th of 2019, and wait till you'll see what's inside. Unfortunately, I can't show you what's in this catalog until then, but I guarantee you will love it. If you do want to get your hands on one of these, once again, place an order on my website, $50 or more, stampingscott.stampinup.net. Right now, Stampin' Up! Has some really great specials on clearance, so there's a lot of cool things to inspire creativity located there. I really hope you enjoyed my presentation today. Please remember to leave comments below. If you like what you saw, thumbs up, and please subscribe. I would like to continue to deliver content like this continuously, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Unboxings of crafting and, oh my word.